Hello everyone and welcome to Mona's Eastern Kitchen. Today I'm going to prepare egg bharta. The beauty of any bharta dish lies in its simplicity, and egg bharta is amazingly easy and quick to make. It's prepared with boiled eggs by chopping or smashing them and mixing them with cooked masala. So, to prepare a mouth-watering side dish, let's get started. Here are the ingredients: 6 boiled eggs, 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped, 2 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped, 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of garlic finely chopped, 2 to 3 green chilies chopped. You can increase or decrease the chilies depending on your level of spice intake, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and salt to taste. Take the boiled eggs and chop them roughly and keep aside for later use. Take a wok or a kadai, add and heat the vegetable oil. Add the cumin seeds and let them splutter. Add the chopped garlic and let it turn light brown in color. Add the chopped onion and green chilies and fry the onion till it turns translucent. Add the ginger and garlic paste and cook till the raw smell disappears. Then add the tomatoes, a little bit of salt, give it a good mix, cover and cook till the tomatoes turn mushy. Now add the turmeric powder, red chili powder, garam masala powder. Add salt as per your taste and cook till the oil oozes from the mixture. Now add half cup of water and let it boil. Once the water has reduced to half, lower the flame and add the chopped eggs and cook till the water dries out. Once the bharta has dried, turn off the heat and garnish it with some chopped spring onion or some chopped coriander leaves. Serve the egg bharta hot with paratha, bread, roti, pav, or as a sandwich spread. If you enjoyed the video, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share and comment on the video.